Can't update your Windows PC? Here are the best ways to fix all Windows Update problems for good. So first on the list, update device drivers by opening Device Manager, right-click a device, then choose Update Driver. Then another possible fix is to use Windows Update Troubleshooter by opening Settings, click Windows Update, and select Check for Updates to download any pending updates. But if you've put the download on for a while but don't see much progress, you might probably have a broken internet connection. And for that problem, it is best to first check and fix the internet connection on your PC. You should also check for your PC's date and time settings. The reason for that is that Windows updates need to have your correct time and date information before downloading and installing new updates. And lastly, do a system restore by searching for it. Open System Protection, click System Restore, then click Next, and make sure to select a correct restore point. Choose Next again, and select Finish to initiate the restore process. And that's what you can do when Windows Update is not working on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.